How to get student discount on Adobe Creative Cloud. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get student discount on Adobe Creative Cloud. So first of all you have to do is just simply come to the web browser, and after that just search for student Adobe Creative Cloud account, and you will be able to see the first link which says Adobe Creative Cloud Pro for students and teachers. So you need to make sure that you are either a current student or a teacher to avail this particular discount. Just simply click on the first link on the top. And over here, you can see that if you are a student, so if you're a student, you will get up to 74% of the discount in the Adobe Creative Cloud Pro. So in order to avail this particular discount, you need to sign in with your login credentials and also need to add your card details in order to buy this particular subscription. But before that, if you are a new user and if you haven't tried the free trial version of the Adobe Creative Cloud, just go ahead and log in for the free trial version. And as soon as you click on it, you will be able to see all the description. Just read through this, and after that click on continue. And as you can see, if you pick a subscription, there are two options that you can choose from. The one is the monthly option and the another one is the annual one. So you can choose as per your liking and as per your requirement. And as soon as you click on it, just fill in this box. So you will be able to get the 7-day free trial on your Adobe Creative Cloud, and just simply click on continue. And after that, you need to enter your email address over here. And after entering your email address, at the right hand side of the menu screen, you will be able to see all the transaction and everything. And now it will redirect you to the page where you have to enter your card details or other details in order to create and sign in with Adobe. Now just simply add your credit or debit card details. Just enter your card number, your first name, your last name, your billing address, your city, state, PIN code. And if you have a GST number, if you're living in India, you can add that and enter your phone number. And after that, just simply click on continue to verification. And as soon as you click on continue to verification, first your 7-day free trial will get unlocked. Then you will be able to avail the 7-day free trial. And after that, as soon as your 7-day free trial get expired, you will be able to avail the student discount on the Adobe Cloud that you have bought. So this is how you will be able to get student discount on Adobe Creative Cloud. I hope you find this video to be helpful.